everybody. Welcome to Keto-alicious and welcome to day 27. Today I'm just going to do a quick rundown. Obviously today is Super Bowl Sunday, and I don't know what you guys do, and I know probably there's people all over the world that have different different things that they make. So I wanted to touch base on that today. I know that there's going to be a lot of cooking. There's going to be a lot of festivities and activities, and I know there is going to be at my house too. I just took a quick break. I'm making tacos today, and I'm making them. I have family that is coming over that does not do keto, so I'm making regular shells for them, and I'm making cheese shells. There are two of us that are doing the keto, so I'm doing cheese shells. I'm going to fry those up or put them in the oven and let them harden. I'm making guacamole, and all that is avocados, diced tomatoes, diced onions, a little bit of lime juice, some salt and pepper, whip that up, smash it, and it's wonderful. I also am going to, and I actually have the recipe at my blog. It's the keto cheese crackers. I'm going to make some of those to dip into the guacamole and also the salsa. And we'll have just the fixings with the taco meat, regular taco meat, just with some seasonings in it. You know, that's pretty keto friendly. And then sour cream, there'll be cheese, shredded cheese, there'll be black olives, there will be both types of chips. For me, it'll be the cheese crackers or chips. And then the guacamole, but I realize that that's not what everybody wants to do. So that's why I'm not in the kitchen whipping up a whole, meal, because I know that everybody's got different, different things that they do. So I just wanted to go over some of the recipes that I have made in the past that are in my blog that might be, kind of fun for Super Bowl Sunday today. And one of them is my avocado fries. And that one is absolutely amazing. It's super, super easy. You just cut avocados into half and then cut them into fours and then dip them into some breading and fry them in coconut oil or avocado oil, and you've got yourself a really fantastic, super, super fast appetizer. And you can use it with any sauce that you want to. I do the sriracha hot sauce with mayo and the sriracha. I love that. My family loves that. That's kind of my go-to. So I would recommend, if you don't have, if you're kind of struggling today and you're wondering what in the world should I be eating, I don't want to go off my keto. So I'm going to give you some of the ideas that I have and that I've made, and you could just pop over to Keto-alicious.com and go into my recipes and scan through there really quickly. If you want to watch me cook them or watch my hands cook them, whichever, you can go to YouTube to Keto-alicious, and you're more than welcome to watch them. Also at the blog, or all on my blog, each one of the videos, how to make them, is on the recipe page as well. So either way, but I also have salami chips, and those are just dry salami slices laid on parchment paper on a baking sheet, and then putting some Parmesan cheese over the top of those. Those are so easy, and you can cook them tender. You can cook them really crispy and to dip those. You also, I have jalapeno poppers. I have a recipe for that, which those are wonderful. They're yummy. And I'm trying to think. I've got some sweet things in there too. I've got nut bars that you could make, like granola bars. I'm going to actually, while I'm here, I'm just going to go through some of my recipes. Now, if you had time, or you could do carne asada tacos. You could just make your meat, and you could barbecue it. You could make chicken. You could grill chicken and slice it into fajita slices and put that into cheese taco shells. You could let's see, what is another one that I, excuse me, I got a frog in my throat. I've been trying to drink a lot of water, guys. My keto sushi. Oh, excuse me. My keto sushi is to die for, and it's made out of, yes, cauliflower. I know some of you guys don't like the cauliflower thing, but I promise you, there's a little secret ingredient that's added to my cauliflower that makes it taste just like rice when you do it. So don't shy away from the keto sushi for the Super Bowl. You know, and all of these recipes, I know wherever you are in the world, I know today is the day. So you you may have the ingredients and you may not. That's why I'm giving you lots of options, because you could go in there and take a look at my recipes and you could find something amazing to whip up for yourself or for your whole family. Another wonderful thing is zucchini chips. Those are so good. Throw them in the oven or fry them really quick, and you've got, you know, a lot of the challenges with keto is we like our dips and we don't have the chips. So I've got 2 or 3 of them in there. So those are definitely something to try. Keto chili dogs. Make some homemade chili. I have that recipe in there too. Whip yourself up some uncured some hot dogs, grill them on the barbecue, throw yourself some keto-friendly chili on the top with some cheese and onions, and have yourself an amazing football game. We all love football, and I know some of us don't, but I do, and so I'm just really kind of excited about today. I have chocolate chip cookies that you can make that are keto friendly. I have barbecued ribs. I have meatloaf. You can make meatloaf sandwiches. Oh my gosh, I have soups. I have sauces. I have dips. You know, you could do cranberry jalapeno dip that is so fast. You know, you can whip up your fresh cranberries. I have the recipe in there. Pour that over cream cheese and make some cheese chips really quick. Throw a little bit of cheese in the oven and bake them until they're crispy, and then dip it into the jalapeno cranberry dip with the cream cheese. Oh my gosh. And then salads. We've got Mediterranean salad with cheeses and salami and basil and olive oil or avocado oil and green olives or black olives. Oh, and artichokes. Oh my gosh. Make a big bowl of that for everybody for a big old side. And then I've got my famous keto cheese platter, guys. That has been a hit in my family for years, and all it entails is taking 2 or 3 different kinds of cheeses, cut them up by little 2x2s or 4x4s, and stacking them, laying them down on the edge of the plate so that when you get to the other side, they hold each other standing up. Whip up some balsamic vinegar and some avocado oil and 2 different kinds of olives, garlic, basil, whip all that up together and pour it in the center of that cheese platter. And it's beautiful and everybody loves it. And you can have an amazing, amazing Super Bowl party. And as far as drinks, make sure if you stay with wines, go with drier wines, Chardonnays. Excuse me. If you're going with Pinot Noirs, red dries, you can go with Cabernet, Sauvignon. You can do Merlots. you can do Sauvignon Blanc, so stick with the ones that are drier and, and enjoy yourself. This is your lifestyle. Set it up to where you're keeping track of your carbs and you know that you have 3 to 5 extra carbs, net carbs, and enjoy a glass of wine. Have a wonderful time. Watch football, laugh with your friends, have amazing keto food. And if your friends aren't keto, you know what? They're not even going to know, but they're going to compliment you on some of the foods. And because everything keto tastes so fantastic. So, if you're a beer drinker, make sure that you're taking a look at the backs and, try to stay at 4 net carbs or under. And some of them, I know they don't say, but you can do your research. You can also go onto my website, excuse me, and grab my keto low carb food list and just download that. That has all the alcohols that are keto friendly, hard liquor. It has the beers that are keto friendly. It has the wines that are keto friendly. And so it'll help you as far as, getting and staying on your keto today. So I'm not going to keep this long, you guys, because I got to get back in the kitchen. I got so much stuff going on and I got people coming in about an hour or so. So I'm getting really excited. I've been drinking a ton of water this morning, so I make sure and get it all in. I've been really enjoying bubbly, and I showed you that in one of my other videos. It's just a little can of carbonated water and it has natural flavoring like lemon, lime, or whatever. And it's not sweet, but it does have a flavor to it. And it gives you the bubbly sensation of having maybe a pop. And what I do is I take a BAI, and if you want a little sweeter in your day, excuse me, you can pour a little bit of that into the top of the can, or pour the carbonated water into your favorite wine glass and add a little bit of bai for color and sip it. Our minds are an amazing thing. We feel like we're being left out because maybe we can't, maybe we're not allowing ourselves to drink wine or alcoholic beverages, but we have that certain glass in our mind that we love. So grab that beautiful glass and pour some keto-friendly drinks in it, or have a glass of wine, whatever your flavor is. If you want to do hard liquor, you're doing gin or you're doing vodka, one of those bubblies poured in there with a little bit of bai. They have so many different flavors. They have orange, and they have watermelon, and they have coconut, and they have teas, raspberry teas, and peach teas. Oh my gosh. And it's so sweet. I mean, it's not super sweet, but it's sweet with erythritol and stevia and all those keto friendly sweeteners that we can do. So you put a little bit of that, you've got a little alcoholic drink that is not going to get you out of ketosis. And you're gonna stay in there. It's a little sweet. If you don't like sweet, just put the bubbly in there. BUBLY, cans of bubbly. And make sure and enjoy your day. This is what life is all about. Is we don't have to be negative Nellies all the time and feel like we're not part of the party. And so I'm really, this is if nothing else, it's a motivational talk today to have fun. Have fun today. I want everybody to have a good time. I know I am. And I want you to have some great ideas, because I want you to have, your wonderful appetizers. Enjoy your food. Keep track of it, but enjoy it. Stay keto friendly. Have a wonderful drink if you want to, and enjoy your football game. Enjoy your friends. Sit back and watch. Take it all in on how everybody is laughing and having a great time, and you'll know that you are doing everything that you can by enjoying your meals, keeping things keto friendly, having amazing appetizers and amazing recipes, going to my website or go anywhere on the web and get recipes that you love. But make sure and keep yourself keto friendly today. Have an amazing day. If you're not a Super Bowl fan, that's okay too. Just enjoy the day and do what makes you feel good on this beautiful, beautiful Sunday. I love you guys. I'm so excited. As you can see, I'm wired today. I feel really good, and I can't wait for Super Bowl to watch the game, enjoy some keto-friendly foods and some great company, and maybe have a glass of wine and know that I'm okay in my keto world. So enjoy your day, guys. I love you. I will see you tomorrow, which is, day 28, weigh-in. This is my 4th weigh-in, and we are almost to day 30. On day 30, I will be measuring, so I will have the total amount of weight loss in a month and the measurements, if any, if I've lost any. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to the next few days, and have an amazing day, guys. If you're not a subscriber, please join me and visit with me on my videos. And if you don't want to miss a video, make sure and click the bell up above, I believe up above this video here. Make sure and go to my blog and check out ketoalicious.com and check out the recipes or check them out on YouTube. Make yourself a wonderful quick recipe. All my recipes are easy. They don't take much time at all. And have yourself a joyous day. See you tomorrow for weigh-in, week number 4. Bye, guys.